Hello everyone, this is Dion. Welcome back to Gamer. In this video I will show you how can you transfer files from your GoPro to your mobile phone device. So let me show you. My memory card is already inserted. So now I will insert the camera, battery, sorry. Okay, now turn on the camera by just holding this power button. So this is turned on. You don't need to do anything, but if you don't find any setting, then you just slide down and click on preference, click on connection and see if your wireless connection is on, and that's it. And also select this Wi-Fi band band 2.4 gigahertz, because that's almost all devices support. But if your device support 5 gigahertz, then you can select this one. I will let this be 2.4 gigahertz. I have nothing to do with this camera. I will just place it here, and everything you need to do is from your smartphone. At first you need to download GoPro app, which name is QUIK. So this is the app. You need to install it from the Play Store or App Store. So now I just need to open it, and you will see all the software interface. If you are going to use this always, then you just create an account or just sign in with your account. I will just go with, so it just showing me the photos or videos I have already downloaded on the app. I will just go on my GoPro. So you need to turn on your Bluetooth and location. So turn on Bluetooth, allow it, it's turning on. My location is already, so now you can see. If I just enable preview, you can enable preview or disable it. Okay, Wi-Fi must be on, so I will turn on the Wi-Fi. So this is Hero 7. This will be automatically connected. So see, you can change every setting. So that's not what we want to do here. We'll just click on photos or videos files here. Now just let me click a photo. We'll just go to photo, then we'll capture one. This is on 3-second timer. Let's just click a photo. So it's captured, and it is also being shown on my device, as you can see. Let me just turn on the brightness. As you can see, this is the photo I just captured. So I will just press on this download icon. So this will be downloaded on my GoPro app, and if you want to download various files at once, you can just mark them and click on this icon, download. Okay, so this will be shown into your app on this media tab. Here, as you can see, albums, medium, media, studio and GoPro is for all your activities for the GoPro. So this is the media, and if you want to see this into your gallery, you need to just press on share and just click here save to phone, or you can send it other places. So I will just click on this. Okay, so here is the details of this picture, so I will just go with continue. So media is saved, continue, done. So that's how you will transfer your photos from GoPro to your device. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you find any kind of difficulties, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you, have a nice day.